Let's be real, Ireland looks like a fairy tale retirement. Stone cottages, rolling green hills, music from every pub, and neighbors who treat you like family. But here's the truth, Ireland isn't just magic and Guinness. It's also higher costs, gray skies, and challenges most retirees never plan for. Stick with me, because today we're pulling back the curtain, separating the myths from the realities, so you can decide if retiring in Ireland is your dream or just a dream. Myth 1. Ireland is an affordable retirement haven. The dream. Many retirees believe Ireland is a cozy, budget-friendly country where their savings will stretch further than in the US or Canada. The reality? Ireland isn't the cheapest option in Europe. In Dublin, a one-bedroom apartment can easily run $1,900 to $2,200 per month, while even in smaller towns you're often looking at $1,100 to $1,400. Add in healthcare premiums around $250 monthly, groceries at $450 to $600, utilities near $250, and a car or public transport at $300. And the average single retiree budget lands around $3,000 to $3,200 a month. Here's the twist. Ireland can still be easier on the wallet than many corners of the US, especially once you step outside the big cities. But if you're coming in hunting for cheap, brace yourself. Those bargain dreams might vanish faster than an Irish rain shower. Myth 2. The weather will make retirement miserable. The dream or nightmare. Many retirees picture endless rain, bone-chilling cold, and gray skies stealing the joy from their golden years. The reality. Sure, Ireland is wetter and cloudier than Spain or Portugal, but it's not the gloomy exile people imagine. Winters rarely dip below freezing, summers stay mild, and that rain? It's the secret behind Ireland's emerald hills and postcard-perfect landscapes. For retirees who love cozy afternoons, dramatic coastlines, and long, refreshing walks, the climate actually becomes part of the charm. But let's be clear, if you're chasing endless sunshine, Ireland may not tick that box. Instead, it offers something different, a retirement drenched in atmosphere, not just weather. Myth 3. Healthcare is free and simple. The dream. Retirees think Ireland's public healthcare means everything is covered, easily and instantly. The reality. Public healthcare exists, but wait times can be long. Most retirees choose private coverage, which costs around $200 to $300 per month. Doctor visits without insurance run about $60, specialists closer to $150, and prescriptions average $30 to $60 monthly. The upside is that Irish healthcare is generally excellent and far less expensive than in the US, but it does require planning and budgeting. Myth 4. You'll instantly belong in a friendly Irish community. The dream. Step off the plane, unpack your bags, and overnight you're one of the locals. The reality. Yes, Ireland's warmth and friendliness are legendary, but belonging doesn't happen by magic. True community takes effort. The retirees who thrive aren't just observers. They're the ones showing up at local events, lending a hand as volunteers, or becoming familiar faces at the cafe or pub. The charm is real, but so is the need to engage. Put yourself out there. And Ireland has a way of rewarding you with something priceless, not just neighbors, but lifelong friends and a deep sense of home. Myth 5. Ireland is a perfect fairy tale. The dream. That postcard-perfect Ireland. Sheep grazing on green hills, quaint cottages, and sunsets over dramatic cliffs is the whole story. The reality. Ireland truly is beautiful, but daily life includes damp homes that need extra heating, higher taxes than some countries, and an older infrastructure that may feel different from what you're used to. It's not flawless, it's real life with quirks and imperfections, and that's exactly what gives it character. The balanced truth, pros and cons. So where does this all land? On the upside, Ireland delivers breathtaking landscapes, a vibrant cultural heartbeat, excellent safety, and a people known for their warmth and authenticity. But every dream comes with trade-offs. Costs run high. The weather can test your patience, and finding your place in the community takes time and effort. Here's the reality. Ireland isn't a cheap escape or a flawless paradise. It's a real country with real challenges and real rewards. For retirees who crave beauty, culture, and meaningful connection, those trade-offs are often more than worth it. A framework for deciding. Let's get real for a second. Before you daydream too far, ask yourself 3 no-fluff questions. 1. What matters more to me? Saving every dollar or soaking up cultural richness? 2. Do I need endless sunshine on my face? Or am I good with cozy, mild weather and green rolling hills? 3. Am I ready to show up and engage in community life? Or am I secretly hoping for an instant plug-and-play retirement package? Here's the real talk. If you lean toward culture, connection, and jaw-dropping nature, instead of rock-bottom costs and year-round sun, Ireland might just be the retirement dream you've been chasing. We've wandered through charming villages, crunched the hard numbers, compared Ireland to sunnier shores, and peeled back myths to uncover the truth. But here's the real talk. Ireland isn't just a dot on the map, it's a feeling. For some retirees, it's the pull of history, culture, and community. For others, it's the dream of waking to rolling green hills and ending the day with music and laughter. And for a few, it may be the realization that Ireland is breathtaking to visit, but not the right place to call home. No matter where you land, my hope is simple: that this series gave you clarity, perspective, and maybe even the spark of inspiration to shape a retirement that feels authentic to you. Because retirement isn't about chasing fantasies. It's about building a life that fits your truth. And if Ireland still tugs at your heart, don't go anywhere. Click Retire Like Royalty Abroad. Secrets for smart retirees on screen. Now for boots on the ground, fact-based answers to guide you past every challenge. This may be the end of Ireland Uncovered, Retiree Edition. But really, it's just the beginning of your journey. So hit subscribe, ring that bell, and stay with us for the next adventure. Until then, thank you for walking this path with me, Alexis Unfiltered, real talk for retired travelers.